On the side of this brickwork, you can see a large gap going from the top right the way down to the bottom. It's an expansion joint. Now, standard on every brick and blockwork, every about 6 meters apart, this is current building regulations. Now, there is some tie bars in between there, which kind of allow for some movement, but if you look closely, you can see there has had some foam in there. However, that was done maybe 5-6 years ago now, and that foam has kind of deteriorated. In fact, it's completely come out of the bottom there. So I'm going to fill the gap in there, but I still need it to be flexible, so I'm using 3C's LMT. LMT Silicone is designed specifically for professionals to perform particularly well with regards to application. It's solvent-free and has superb adhesion to a vast range of substrates. You can of course build these layers up and add a second layer if you need to. It has excellent resistance to weathering, aging and UV. It's natural curing, low odour, non-corrosive and doesn't slump. I'm pumping this in and out just a little bit, just to catch the two sides of this. This is where the brick's going back 4 inches, 100 millimeters. So I want to get it to bite to both sides. It's not too bad there where the foam was above. It was hitting that and then capturing the sides, but in here, it doesn't seem to be. So it has movement accommodation of 25%, which makes it perfect for movement joints in the construction industry. To get a nice smooth finish, I tend to spray the area with the soapy water and then apply my wooden tooling stick across the surface. LMT forms the skin slightly slower than normal silicones. This allows you to apply larger areas before having to tool it off smooth. It's also commonly used for internal and external framing, cladding around roof applications, bonding and sealing PVC and wood, stone, concrete and composite. Now the colour I'm using is brick red. However, the ever-growing colour range available in 3C's LMT Silicone is normally based on the marketplace demand for the most common design substrates. To name a few colours, there's anthracite, black, brick red, buff, dark anthracite, mid-grey, Portland and white. Now, if you want to see some more how-to videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we are very sociable, so give us a follow on all social media handles. But if you need to know more about 3C's products, just check out their website.